Hello Yisin. Just want to say a big thank you for the workshop just now. Sorry we were late, but we really love our end products so much. Leather crafting really takes a lot of skill and we are glad we got a patient trainer. Cool face emoji. Nice and friendly staff. Each step was explained well and I could take my time to do each step. I think I spent about 2.5 hours there. Can personalize up to 7 characters, but they allowed me to put 8 characters since the letters were small enough. Thanks for the workshop. Smile. Super easy booking and easy to find the location. Staff were a bit busy though, so it felt very rushed and didn't really go through workshop style. More like a just DIY. Very fun experience. Staff was helpful and patient. We were taught about the materials and the different techniques. Was interesting to know the different steps to make it, and there were lots of designs to pick from. Thank you. First time trying leather craft and we enjoyed the session. We made 3 items which we can be used in our daily lives. One side note, the coin pouch seems a bit small though. Nonetheless, it is still a fruitful session. Highly recommended to go on weekday. It turned out that the workshop only has 2 of us that day and it was a private workshop, haha. The instructor was very patient and explained the steps and techniques. We'll come again to make other items. Been a while since I attended any workshop. Staff was very friendly and helpful in guiding us on the steps needed. Had fun and learned some new stuff relating to leather care and the cutting techniques involved. Booked this to surprise my husband for his birthday. He really loved it. Took the 3 accessories workshop where you'll make coin pouch, keychain and card sleeve. We took 3 hours plus cause we were enjoying it so much. You will learn the process of making leather products. Wei Ling the instructor is so kind, helpful and friendly too. We learned scoring, stitching and burnishing techniques with different tools provided. Really recommended for beginners and even for people who are not the hands-on type of person. Leather crafting workshop is definitely a must-go if you want to enjoy an indoor activity and take your mind off from work/home. All the materials are provided to you. There are a variety of leather colors for selection. The trainer is very friendly and clear in sharing with us the process. We went on a weekday, thankfully, less crowded, and we had plenty of time to do our coin pouch and spent a fruitful 2 hours. Highly recommended. 1. People, they're all friendly, patient and knowledgeable too. 1 hour workshop is fun and lots of stamping selections available. If only we got more time, would go for the 2 to 3 hours workshop instead. The workshop was fun for both my partner and I. We did the Klook exclusive keychain and were very satisfied with the end product. Our facilitator was friendly and gave clear instructions. Depending on your speed, you can take up to 1.5 hours for this workshop. I would recommend anyone looking for a fun activity that isn't overly too expensive. The leather card holder workshop was an enriching experience. Held in a well-equipped studio, the atmosphere was inviting and conducive to creativity. The instructor was knowledgeable and provided clear, step-by-step guidance, ensuring participants of all skill levels felt supported. High-quality materials and tools were provided, enhancing the crafting process. Participants learned essential techniques like measuring, cutting, stitching, and finishing. By the end, everyone created a personalized, professional-looking card holder. The workshop was enjoyable and educational, perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. It offered valuable skills and a sense of accomplishment with a tangible, functional product to take home. Went for this workshop with my fiancé for his birthday. His wish came true and we totally loved it. It was so nice and interesting. The whole process was definitely different than what we expected. It's so cool how you can put your name in some characters too. Give it a go. Smile. Was finding for a fun activity that I could do with my friends as well as also surprise one of our friend as a birthday present. Definitely recommend as it was enjoyable to make something together and have it to bring back home with us. Thanks to the team for teaching us.